Hello, this is Andrea Corella, licensed professional counselor and relationship consultant on True Potential TV, the place where you can nurture your relationship, transform your life, and enhance your well-being. Today, I am going to cover love and respect in relationships, so you can avoid the common mistakes many couples make, increase mutual understanding, and reduce the amount of conflict and tension in your relationship. But first, I want to hear from you. Have you ever felt unloved or disrespected by your partner? Or have you ever been unloving or disrespectful to them? Did it sound something like this? You are acting like a 5-year-old child. You need to calm down and get a hold of yourself. So glad you could grace us with your presence this evening. You know, you being the center of the universe and all. Can't you keep the freaking car on the road? My little sister just got her driver's license and she can drive better than this. Yeah, I know exactly what you're going to say, and it's ridiculous. Yucky, right? Having a close and harmonious relationship with your partner is something men and women all over the world desire. But some common behaviors get in the way. Reactivity! When our emotions are running wild, things can get heated up and out of control really fast. A simple way to cool things down and get off the emotional roller coaster ride comes from the inspiration of the Supremes. Become mindfully aware of your behavior and take a breath. Have you ever heard your partner's feelings, thoughts, opinions, and you get so overwhelmed that you don't know what to say, and so you shut down, you dismiss, you ignore, as though you can't even hear what they have to say? Instead, be receptive and look at the situation from his or her eyes. Judgmental perceptions. Stop assuming that you have the situation and your partner all figured out. You know what they say about assuming, don't you? It makes an ass out of you and me. You may end up not only missing something, but also fueling the fire some more. Instead, get curious, become an observer, and start looking at the situation from different points of view. And also, listen to what emotions are going on inside of you. Not listening. Have you ever been in a conversation where someone talks nonstop that you can't get a word in edgewise? Now, we have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. And if you want to perform a monologue, I suggest you get into acting and take that show on the road. If instead you want to create an amazing relationship that rocks, it's important that you give your partner equal airtime so you can both listen to what each other have to say. Thank you so much